Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with my Out with the Old and Layout share for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit for March 2023. This is also the last 7 days of the 30 Days of Sketches with Christie's Beautiful Life Series 11, also March 2023. So let me show you what I have left. I'm going to start off with my tools and tell you I did not use any of them. And I feel horrible. I got these out to use and then I didn't end up using any. So I'm disappointed in myself for that. But, you know, this kit is still relatively new and there's so much of it that I might still get some use out of it. I did use some of the tag dies that I had pulled in, like those two and that one I did use. But otherwise I haven't touched any of the dies that I put in here. They will be put away, the dies and the tools will be put away, but I'm going to take a photo of everything and keep it with the kit so that next time I pull the kit out, I can pull out some of these tools to use as well. Or maybe not. As far as scraps go, this is what I have left. These are all the pieces of paper that I have cut down and used within the kit. I'm not throwing them out. I'm going to keep them with the kit. I have lots of scraps that I pulled in this go around to get used, and I have done a phenomenal job so far. Okay, as far as papers go, I have a couple of 12 by 12 red backgrounds and probably an 8 by 12 scrap. So there's what I have left in the red scraps that I pulled in, or red papers that I pulled in. This is an offcut from one of the paper kits. I don't remember which one, but it's an offcut. I think I wanted to put it into orange. Anyway, here's what I have left of blue. I have a couple of sheets of 12 by 12. Now these are all the ones that I have added to the original papers that I pulled in. They're at the back of this stack. But here's what I have left as far as scraps go. And you can see I have quite a few scraps with the blue. I've used quite a bit. This started off as a 12 by 12, this started off as a 12 by 12, and this started off as a 12 by 12. And then I have these two 12 by 12s left. Oranges, I haven't used a ton of these as of yet, but I'm sure that I will get around to it. So 3 12 by 12s, one offcut from a girl kit, birthday from Echo Park, and then I have a couple of pieces of scraps left. And yes, I have used the scraps on some layouts. And I'm going to put that with the oranges. This is from the yellow color bin. Now I have a couple of 12 by 12s, and then I have an 8.5 by 11, and then a couple of scraps from something. I don't know what these came from, but they already have lines. From my blacks, I have a couple of pattern papers, and then I have an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper here. Then I have, this was a 12 by 12 that I cut down. This is one of the papers that was in the kit that I cut down, and this was a scrap. And actually I cut a circle out of this one, larger than this obviously, from one of the kits that I added in, the Simple Life collection. So I actually have one plus this one. Plus the scraps, I should say. Greens, how do you like that? One piece of greens. I did add in quite a few white and off-white scraps, and this is what I have left. Stripe paper with the kits. Yeah, you can see I have quite a bit. This is the actual kits that I pulled in. There's a scrap from one of them. There's another sheet of that paper with the birthday on it. There's some cut aparts, and the back side is that red dot. So I have plenty of that. I have a viewfinder paper. I have a check paper, and I have the back side of this one with the jacks on it. And then I added in the Simple Life by Echo Park, And I have used quite a bit of this. I feel like I've used this more than anything else so far. There's a couple of cut apart sheets and lots of pattern papers in here. And then that's the cover sheet. So I have tons of paper to continue working with. So I am definitely going to keep this kit together and continue working my way through. Look at that. When I put it over here and put all my scraps on one side, can y'all see that? How thick that is? That's probably a good 1/2 inch. I have a ton of paper in this kit. So embellishment wise, let me show you these two. I had a couple of ephemera packs in here. This one was from Cheeky Studios, lots of flowers. And then this one from Echo Park. It was a summer themed collection, so I have both of those. You can see this was brand new when I added it in, and I've used a ton so far. I have some bits of bling left over. I have more bling. I added in a couple of Freckled Fawn kits, and that's what these are from. I've broken the kits down, and so they have been added in to use. These are some additional alphabets that I pulled in to use on a layout, but I kept them with the kit because the colors match so well. That was part of a Freckled Fawn kit. I have tons of bling. I think that one went with that. These are from Ellie Studio, and there's tons of journal spots in here. I've had those forever. More bling. I pulled that title to use, and I thought I was going to use it a couple of times so far and haven't used it. These are stickers, this set here that I have not used. There's a piece that I have cut apart and haven't ended up, I guess I could put that with my scraps. I haven't ended up using it yet. There's a sticker book that I added, some chipboard. These ephemera packs from Fancy Pants, yeah, they're not my favorite and they don't match so well, but I'm not willing to take them out just yet. There's washi stickers. There's the alphabets. Here are puffy stickers that I have added in. I have 2 sheets of those. I have rub-ons. I have more labels and more labels. And these Snap by Simple Stories ephemera bits, sticker bits. I have these from 49 in Market, and I really thought I was going to be able to work with these, but these are too mauve tone or plum tone, too purpley to work. So I should probably just pull those out. I have all of these foam phrases from Freckled Fawn. Those are from 2017, y'all. These are all from Close to My Heart, and they're bits and pieces of different collections. The ephemera bits, the stickers, and then of course a craft pop-out. Here's a couple of random stickers from Bo Bunny Press. Some cork stickers. These are some vellum phrases. This piece of paper is an 8.5 by 11. I liked the green side, so I kept it in with the other kit pieces from here, from October 2019, and this is the alphabet that came with that set. I have these stickers, and I have both of those stickers. I have these flip-flops. This set I've used a ton of. I really didn't think I was going to use that much of it, and I've used it more than any other sticker sheet in here. Here's some chipboard stickers. These are Pink Fresh. They all came together, and I've used several from those. Not a ton. Here are from the collections that I added in, the sticker sheets, Toy Box and Birthday Boy. These are Old Can Company stickers. I haven't found a reason to use those as of yet. These are some acrylic pieces from Freckled Fawn from years ago. These are both from Daisy D's, and they are basically titles. Here is a sticker sheet from Echo Park. Here's one from 3 Bugs in a Rug. These are from American Craft. These are all from 7 Gypsies. This chipboard set is from Bella Boulevard. And I have the Simple Life sticker sheets, and I haven't used any of those as of yet. Doesn't mean that I won't, it just means that I haven't used them yet. And I have so much in this kit that I will not be hard pressed to have embellishments. I mean, it's a huge kit. I think I might put it in a box and put it on the shelf for a little while, just to get it off my workspace, because I'm tired of looking at it right now. I just did the last 7 layouts of 30 days of sketches for Christy's Beautiful Life with this kit, so I really got a good feel for it, but I'm ready to put it away and to move on to something new for April. Sorry, I had to stop and think about what month we're coming into. So I have all of this to work with, and I think I'm going to pull it together for a project at some point, whether it's another 30 days of sketches or whether it is a collective kit. I don't know yet, but I'm not taking it apart. I am going to keep it together. Y'all might think I'm nuts for that, but sometimes you know what you know, and you just need to keep working with something. And that's kind of how I feel because this has so many older products from Echo Park. I feel like this is the best way that I know to get them used up. These, because they're too purpley, I'm going to put back into my stash. Give me a second. Let me move all this stuff out of the way, and I will show you the layouts that I have created. Okay, friends. This is the first layout for my counterfeit kit challenge, or layout number 25 for the 30 days of sketches. And you can see I didn't use those first 2 collections that I pulled in, the toy box or the birthday boy kit. These are all from the Simple Life. But I used a mix of embellishments from all the embellishment pieces, you know, a bunch of different ones I've already pulled into here. This one is, again, the Simple Life. No, this one is Birthday Boy, I think. This is layout number 2. Single photo layout. Love how that one came together. And I will tell you, if you guys haven't been over to Christy's Facebook group, you need to go over there and see what everybody has created this month. This is layout number 3, or 27. You can see I fussy cut those banners from that one sheet of paper and used them on here. And I think they look totally different standalone than they did on the piece of paper. Those are all such bold, bright colors. This is layout number 4, or 28 for the 30-day challenge. And I love that I was able to use those 2 embellishments because they are from a pack that I have had forever. Probably, I don't know, at least 10 years. This is layout number 5, or number 29. Again, this one I used the one solid sheet of paper and then 2 scraps here. So I was able to get a lot of good use out of my scraps so far. Tons of little sticker embellishments and ephemera all throughout the layout. This one, of all the ones that I've done for 30 days of sketches, is my favorite. And I love the black with the brick, with the floral, the bright colors of the kids in the photo, the different embellishments that I have added in. This is my favorite layout of the entire month. This one is number 7 for the 30 days, or sorry, for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, and number 31 for the 30 days of sketches. And you can see I got a lot of photos on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 photos on those 2 pages. So love that I was able to get so much used. I pulled in some gaming ephemera bits here, here, and here that I have had in my stash for, I think, 7 years. Anywho, glad that I was finally able to get some of that used up. Alright friends, that's it. That was the last layout that I did for my 30 days of sketches. This was the bonus layout, and also for the 7 days of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. If you have not already subscribed and want to see additional layouts that I have created for this month, make sure you check out that playlist called March 2023, and it's going to have all the layouts that I have created this month. For those of you who have been subscribed to my channel for a long time, I really appreciate you guys for sticking around, for leaving comments, and for hitting that like button. I really appreciate that. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to. Please feel free, if you want to, subscribe to that channel so that you get my videos popping up in your feed every day. Anyway, guys, I will be back on another day with another video and another scrapbook page here pretty soon. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.